Hi, and welcome to this course, Manage Couchbase Servers and Clusters. My name is Kishan Iyer, and I will be your instructor for this course. A little about myself first. I have a master's degree in computer science from Columbia University and have previously worked in companies such as Deutsche Bank and WebMD in New York. I presently work for Lunicorn, a studio for high-quality video content. Managing a Couchbase cluster requires a wide array of factors to be considered, ranging from testing its performance to recovering from node failures or data loss. This course covers a number of options available with regards to cluster management from both a theoretical and a hands-on perspective. We begin by setting up a multi-node Couchbase cluster and testing its performance while subjected to a load using CB workload gen. We also cover the encryption of traffic between cluster nodes. Next, we cover the variety of ways in which node failures can be handled in a cluster by performing failovers in order to recover data from their replicas. This includes hard failovers where nodes fail unexpectedly and graceful failovers where node removal is planned. We move then to backing up the contents of a cluster, including the use of CB transfer in order to migrate data between clusters and performing a more structured backup using CB Backup Manager. We will also cover restoring a cluster to a prior state using one of the available backups. Finally, we cover the setting up of cross data center replication or XDCR and how the CB recovery utility can be used to recover from the failure of multiple nodes. When you complete this course, you will be quite the expert in managing different forms of replication, generating backups of your cluster, and significantly, you will have the knowledge and the skills to recover from failures or data loss on your Couchbase cluster.